It's warmer now. Oh.
Poor guy. Sorry, buddy, not laughing at you. Okay, a little bit.
It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. Are you done? Are you done? You seemed to like it at first, but now he's kind of...
Wow.
Poor guy.
Maybe we should move that balloon behind us. He's really focused on that.
Are you done? He's wrinkling his nose. Yeah, I think that's the done sign.
You're done, buddy? Not bad for your first go, huh? One more. One more.
One more time? You want that? No. No.
You alright, bud?
You ate it at first.
Yeah.
I guess a little bit is all you need right now, huh? Yeah. A little bit is all you need. Okay. I'll go get a washcloth for you.